Hello my friends, welcome to Trading BKS. Today is 11 March 2022, Friday. So Friday there's some take profit, so the market drop. But the important point is, did it drop below the neckline, the support? Okay, if it drop below the support, then there is a possible, right? The spike like yesterday, right, was a trap. Okay, so we'll talk about it shortly. Let's check out the before we start the show. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Want to open CGS-CIMB account, look at the description, there's a link there. My Facebook, there's a link. My website also, Trading BKS, also got a link there. My Facebook is facebook.com/tradingbks/tradingbks. Twitter is twitter.com/tradingbks. Want to buy me coffee, go to coffee.com, ko-fi.com/tradingbks. Check out the introduction. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out the chart first. Okay, look at KLSE. Yesterday it broke above here, right? Just like here, a false break above, a break above, then suddenly come down. Okay, means it's a false break. This one also, it broke above the neckline, then come back. Okay, except, okay, we have to really watch this one very closely. It need to hold. Okay, it need to hold above this line to show that, okay, this is really a momentum that is going up. Okay, momentum that's going up. So I said that we can start to pick a little bit, but don't go in all yet, because it's still very dangerous. This is still very dangerous territory over here. Okay, very dangerous territory. Once it clear above, once it still continue above, okay, let's say today it still go above, then we can say it's quite clear that it's going up. As I said, if it drop below again, this is a false break. Means this one will most likely, very likely, come back to our 15151526 area. This is our strategy. Before that, we focus on here, right? A drop below here, a rebound. Okay, is our more ideal for me. Okay, it's ideal for me. If it breaks above here, it's okay. We can try to chase, but not as good. Okay, so today it dropped back again. If next week continue to drop, likely continue to drop. So we want to look for this one. Okay, which is my preferred. Okay, my preferred strategy. Okay, come back to here, rebound from here, then we start to collect again. So be careful. Okay, if you already bought in a few stocks yesterday, so if it drop to cut loss, okay, maybe you out first. So this one by no means that to say that this candle will sure come down. Okay, because we never know. In the evening, in the afternoon, institution get any new news about the war, whatever. Okay, they think that the market will rebound. They might push it up again. Okay, so this by no means this confirmed case today, because we are only in the afternoon, right? We are only now, it's only 12 o'clock or 12:17. So market still can change in the evening. Okay, but judging at now, at the sentiment now, right? Probably it will drop. Probably will drop. Look at BURSA. Okay, sentiment 34, gainers 264, losers 515. So market is quite big. Volume very small, 1.098. So 12 points down, 17 points down, 1.09%. So market is crazy. Every day, not like every day go up 17, go up more than 10, drop more than 10. It's like very volatile during the war time. 1563 today in the afternoon. Open market big drop, then got institution got push up a little bit, then still no momentum, starting to drop. Okay, so if you look at the afternoon, if afternoon, right, it goes back up. Okay, means next week still got chance to go up. If afternoon it continue go down, means this one is means next week, probably next week will not look good. Consumer drop 0.63.
industry drop 1.08, construction drop 0.29, technology up 0.19, finance drop 0.91, quite big, finance drop a lot. Property drop 0.18, plantation drop 0.22, REIT drop 0.14, energy drop 0.94, healthcare drop 0.60, telecommunication drop 0.51, transportation drop 0.45, utility drop 0.22. So everything dropped. Okay, look at some top gainers. Okay, look at this. TAANN got some volume. Take a look. TAANN up 4.7%. BJFOOD 6.2%. Got some volume. BITROX, this one I already talked about it yesterday or 2 days ago. SOP. Okay, take a look at SOP also. Nothing much lah. Great tech already. Hongseng, maybe take a look at Hongseng lah. MSM, okay, take a look at MSM. Okay, so this is not many today. Today market not bad, not good. TAANN BJFOOD SOP HONGSENG MSM. Okay, look at TAANN first. Okay, TAANN still continue to go up. Today here, okay, you already take half profit. Okay, it didn't. The price went down below our this stop loss, but then it rebound. It rebound from this area. It never actually stay below 4.8. So this one still can keep for a while and see whether how it goes. If this one continue to go up, continue to keep. If this one starting to drop again, then maybe you want to let go. But now still can keep. Still can keep. You take half profit already. Leave the half profit here and keep and see. If you want to chase in again, maybe if it goes through 4.98, 4.94, maybe you can chase again if you want to chase again. Make sure you got bullet, then only chase. No bullet, don't chase. If you already profit from here, right? If you already profit from the previous run, right? Then you got money, you got profit, then you can try to chase. Or else, this is chasing high, very dangerous. BJFOOD. BJFOOD one more want to push up again, but all the bank target mostly hit. Mostly already hit all the bank target. So this one, only Hong Leong Bank 3.8 haven't hit. This one I think is chasing high, chasing the dividend. So this one after the dividend come out can be big drop. This one for me I will not chase. Already too high to chase. Already too high to chase. This one after dividend is when 15. Monday, Tuesday already dividend already. That's why you chase in now. After dividend, right, it might drop. So quite dangerous. This one. This one I will not chase. SOP. Okay, SOP still consolidating over here. Haven't dropped below stop loss 5.71. See what happened. Continue to hold. Make sure this one you got bullet or you can chase. No bullet, better don't chase this out high. Hongseng, take a look. Hongseng, a false break. A break above, then come back down. Here now trying to go up again. This is very crazy. This is crazy. So play a little bit maybe can because this one already drop below here already dropped below stop loss that day. Stop loss here, we drop below here, then it come back again. Maybe still got chance but not like very strong. Play a little bit, just play for fun a little bit, okay but don't chase in too serious on this one for now. MSM. MSM trying to rebound, but MSM done very badly. MSM very badly. So possible they want to chase the dividend or some kind. So probably possible there's some rebound here, but I'm not keen to play. So market is just today is just no no energy, not much opportunity, and the main thing is the most important thing is this, we want to know. And yeah, and in the morning maybe we take a look at the commodity a bit. Oil drop, so the oil stock don't hold already, oil is dropping. Palm oil is up, that's why palm oil still can try, palm oil still can try. Palm oil is still up, palm oil still can try. Okay, so that's it for today. Nothing much happening except here. The most important thing that we need to note is it dropped below the neckline. Okay, so this is a false, unable to stand above this neckline. So probably it will come down to here. Okay, for us to execute our strategy. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye.